Welcome to the first of many one-on-one drag races, featuring perhaps one of the most fearsome looking cars, called the Lykan HYPERSPORT. Now, for all of you car fanatics will most probably remember that this was the superstar supercar of action movie Furious 7, where it will be remembered for the infamous scene when the Lykan leaped from skyscraper to skyscraper. However, that's just on the big screen. So what can this Lebanese manufactured supercar offer in the real world? Well, costing at $3.4 million US, it is currently the third most expensive vehicle built to date. This is partially due to the 220 diamonds encrusted into each LED headlight. Furthermore, the price is justified through an exclusive production of only 7, in which one was purchased by the Abu Dhabi Police Department. The power plant of the Lykan produces numbers that is highly respectable, with a 3.7 litre twin-turbo flat-six pumping 740 brake horsepower and 707 pounds-foot of torque. This can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds and go on to a top speed of 239 miles per hour. For the first ever Middle Eastern built supercar, the Lykan HYPERSPORT is sure one piece of superb engineering. So let's see how it would do in a 1-mile drag battle against the car that is the second most expensive car built to date. Identical horsepower and the same 0 to 60 time, the all-wheel drive bull, the Lamborghini Veneno. So who will win this highly anticipated matchup? Well, let's find out. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's take a closer look at the finish.